Hello, my friends, Evolutionary Energy Arts family. So, guys, we have some unusual activity over in Ireland and in the UK. So, we have an actual investigation launched after several pilots report a close encounter with a UFO, and this includes some audio, so you can actually listen to this yourself. And so, we have several sightings of an unidentified flying object flying at astronomical speed before disappearing off the coast of Ireland, and it sparked an investigation by the Irish Aviation Authority. This UFO was first spotted by a baffled British Airways pilot last Friday, November 9th, at approximately 6:47 a.m. local time, flying over the southwest coast of Ireland. And so this is very interesting for sure. And this is Trevor Buckley at Irish Aero. Very interesting report on Shannon High Level, Friday 9th November, with multiple aircraft reporting sightings over County Kerry, which is actually very close to where my family comes from, County Clare, right next to it, and of a UFO. So you have multiple pilots reporting this sighting. The first pilot was flying a Boeing 787 from Heathrow to Montreal when he made a call to Shannon Air Traffic Control, ATC, and asked if there were military exercises taking place in the airspace. And here you can listen to the recording right there. ATC said there were no military exercises underway and said, "There is nothing showing on either primary or secondary radar." So somehow that it's got to be stealth related. So obviously we would think that even our own secret space program would probably have the technology to block radar, and surely ETs would. So, and of course, if it's an interdimensional object as well, that throws another dimension into the equation there. "Okay, it was moving so fast," the pilot replied. "Alongside you?" questioned the controller. The pilot went on to describe the UFO that appeared along the left side of the aircraft and then rapidly veered to the north. So the pilot then saw a bright light that disappeared at a very high speed. She said she did not believe it to be on a collision course, but was wondering what it could possibly be. A Virgin Airlines Boeing 747 pilot then joined the conversation to suggest that a meteor or some other object was re-entering Earth's atmosphere. The pilot said there were multiple objects following the same sort of trajectory, and they were very bright where they were. When Shannon ATC asked the pilots which direction the objects were heading, the Virgin Airlines pilot said it was in his 11 o'clock position with two bright lights over to the right that then climbed away at very high speeds. "Very interesting, that one," said the pilot. And after a third pilot chimed in to say, "Glad it wasn't me," and reported a UFO that was astronomical. It was moving at like Mach 2, twice the speed of sound. Shannon ATC told the BA pilot that the other aircraft in the air have also seen the same thing. So we're going to go have a look-see, which sounds like a good idea. You go have a look-see. The Irish Aviation Authority said that they had filed a report of the unusual air activity following reports from a small number of aircraft on Friday. And the report will be investigated under the normal confidential occurrence investigative process. So we're seeing a lot of wild stuff in the sky. You could just go check some of the videos that we've done recently showing all these things in the sky. There is what appears to be tons of drones in the sky. There's a lot of, I don't know if they're ET aircraft, if they are interdimensional beings, I don't know, secret space program related, maybe all of the above in reality. And so chemtrails, contrails are just aliens. UFO stuns onlookers across China and Inner Mongolia, and there's videos here. China's media claimed the UFOs were nothing more than trails left by a high-altitude aircraft. However, a mysterious UFO was captured on film by stunned onlookers across China on Thursday evening, and this goes back to last month. In case you guys had missed this, I wanted to include it. Residents of Beijing, Shanxi Province, and Inner Mongolia posted their sightings of unusual flight pattern on Chinese social media. And this was from October 11th. And so you can see some videos here, and this very well can be missile related, who knows, it could be CERN related. We've seen these weird vortexes and spirals of light around CERN, and as we know, there are probably, we have reports of multiple hadron colliders around the planet now. and that could be part of how weather control is being done as well. And so Of course, Chinese media wants to quickly dismiss this as nothing more than trails left by high-altitude aircraft. But you guys check it out, make your decisions. There's stuff in the sky. There's more stuff in the sky every day. It's coming in from everywhere. So something is going on. What's going on exactly? Well, you guys tell me. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. As always, my friends, please thumbs up to support the channel. Subscribe, click the bell so you get all notifications, and share with as many as possible so we can figure all this stuff out together. And thank you guys. Stay safe always. God bless and namaste.